Here, buddy. Hey, buddy. There, stand. There.
Oh, AirAsia!
Hey, stop doing my
I'm
camera.
sorry.
Oh, AirAsia. None of them are really taking off. Right? No,
Definitely right.
51,000.
Oh, that's the one I've been waiting for. Oh, that's one of my moments. Time for Hong Kong. PR of 319. That could be. Oh, no, it's not actually. No, that's a Neo. A330.
That might be a pound, maybe 51,000.
Whoa. As you can see by the
Oh,
engine,
it's a 330.
that's a Neo.
Yeah, that's
Beautiful.
Oh, I think that. Oh,
If it's a big plane, you want to see like a bigger body.
yeah, it could be the.
It has a bigger fuselage. They could make an A350-2000 soon. That's gonna be a 777-9 beater.
Yeah, that's 1830 Neo.
I have one of those.
This is like Neo, right? That might
Yeah.
be an A321 Neo. That's 1820. It's 1820 on the road. Maybe. 1820. Yeah.
Camera.
A350. A350. It's not. Uh-oh. Is it 1821 or 1820? It's 1820.
Dreamliner over Dreamliner.
Actually, Dreamliner.
Oh, I went on that Dreamliner for the first time.
Well, I just read A350 900 for my first time. 787.
Alto.
10.
Also me.
10. Singapore Airlines. That's Singapore Airlines A350.
Oh, I want to go on that plane. Oh, that's also one of my dream airlines. If I was rich. That's A350-9 medium range. Medium range. Ooh. It's okay. That's how I can tell.
Boeing 787 did, right? Yeah,
Ada.
Or 10.
-9.
Wait, there's already a... What's on you?
Tokyo. From Tokyo Haneda to here. January 5th.
Where's the British?
Oh, one of the best.
Where's the British Airways?
But they did have a winglet version.
All the way.
Oh, that's That's insane.
How? Hey, the A320. Oh yeah, it is.
It's a CO. I can tell it has IAE V2500. But since engine seems a little dirty, they're wearing out over time.
That's why I rode that A320. Yeah, I rode that in 2020.
That was the least I took. That second line.
There is Thai Airways I see there. Oh, yeah.
TG621 for Bangkok.
Yeah. I'm going to South Korea soon.
Incheon.
Yeah, I'm going there.
There's KE. It starts at KE622 and KE624. Wait, 628 or 628? Oh!
Why?
Oh,
Careful with my cell phone, okay?
that's the problem. Oh, that's an A320. Reverse thrust seems CFM. I love that. Oh, it's a budget airline. It's a budget airline. It's a budget. Those are called budget airlines. We can change the runway soon.
I guess so. Oh my god! That is the
I think the A350 has 1,000. It's still in the air, I think. The A350-1000 is probably still in the air.
That's delivery by Kulos.
Yeah, we went the A330-300,
Wait, the delivery
50-900. It was delivered the day after I left for winter break. Because Super Pacific operates 14 Airbus A330neos. Ray retired the Airbus A330-300.
Yeah.
Too bad that UPS retired MD-11. It was kind of a disaster.
300. You know the DC-10?
Yes, I heard about that.
It's the most crashes.
It's one of the hardest flights to land too, because of its tail so tiny, like a mouse. It's because it's so tiny. And look what's lying up in wait. Thai Airways lying up in wait. Because I'm a trader. One of the budget airlines. You know that's actually called a low-cost airline. It's a low cost. Oh.
You can see better here. Buddy.
You can see my camera too.
I put it for my clothes.
That was about to go to Bangkok. BKK.
You're getting to take off the airport.
Clear. Oh, it's clear.
That's it, no?
Yeah.
Oh,
I've been
you have?
I went to Phuket.
You have TikTok?
It's coming in.
I will follow you.
Yeah, I have a Insta. I have Instagram. I don't have TikTok here. Only Insta. Oh, here goes the Dreamliner.
Where's the Dreamliner?
I've been playing Spike for a year. Oh, here it comes. Oh, it's beautiful with the Rolls Royce. Trend 1000. Oh, I love those planes. It's one of my favorite airplanes to ever fly. But it's also known for its dimmable windows in action.
Yeah, I know. The country of Boeing is the USA.
Yeah. Boeing is a Boeing Field. Comes from there.
There's a new airport. The looking airline A350-1000.
Yeah, I love the 80. I saw it like on camera once.
No, when you see the
So where's the air?
Posted it on Facebook.
Philippine Airlines.
85th anniversary livery.
So where is it?
It's PR319, Hong Kong to Manila. That's the A320. Or the 321. And I love its livery because I like the way it shows this hard landings. It's insane.
Oh yeah, 30 meals.
Yep, that's right. They currently operate 14 of them. It's because I tracked one of them from Toulouse, France. I did track a delivery with one of their Neos. Rolls Royce. Those have Rolls Royce Trent 7000. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. There's one leg up, A320 or A321. After that, Singapore.
I think it's going
There's gonna be a runway change in progress. Because, oh, runway change is gonna be in effect. There's gonna be runway change is gonna be in effect. Some of the airplanes are gonna be in runway change. 6.
Sometimes I do butter landing.
Butter landing is the best.
Yeah, it will be doing a butter landing.
10 out of 10 landing.
I heard that A330 do a butter landing.
Yeah, I feel the butter landing when I was traveling.
What's next?
Here's an A3. Next is Singapore. Oh, was that the last plane? Was that the last plane? Was that the last plane to ever land? Out. Oh! Romeo, Papa, Charlie they start with. Oh, this is the last one. That's the runway changes in progress after this one. There's gonna be a runway change in progress.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a runway change. Everybody's gonna take off from that way, and then they're gonna take you off that way.
And there's more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that? You have TikTok? I'll follow you.
I have Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. I have TikTok. Where? I'm reaching the point is 100 followers. Over 2,000. I'm about like 2,890 followers on Instagram. Because I'm a big fan of M&L flights. Big fan of M&L flights. The biggest plane that I spot is A380. When I'm in Taipei. There!
I also took a picture of the Hello Kitty plane.
I saw that. The one I saw that in Emirates.
UAEK is the.
From Dubai to Taipei.
Ooh, that's right. It's cool.
Really long, right?
Yeah, it's one of the longest.
I heard that last Daddy, that there's this Rice Krispie.
Rice Krispie. I used to love the trains.
Yeah, I saw.
I can see.
Next.
Singapore. Take off.
I know the schedule. I know.
Yeah.
I think
If you use like a flight, if you use like Flight Radar 24, you'll find planes in the radar.
I have two. Wait, how old are you?
Because I'm already celebrating 7 years of posting YouTube.
10. Actually 10.
Because I've waited about it for like 2 years already.
6, yeah. Wait.
I've been traveling since I was 3.
Bro, look. Bro.
Singapore, Trent XWB. One of the fuel efficient planes as the Dreamliner.
Wait, they use that on the world's longest flight in the whole entire world. You know what is the longest route in the world? That one? Sydney to London. 20 hours. 40 hours. 20.
What the oh my goodness.
20. You know what's the shortest flight? Longest route.
Yeah, the longest now is Singapore to New York.
The longest route to Philippines Airlines is Manila to New York.
Even Singapore too. Oh, last plane to take off. Because they just did a U-turn. The planes are circling around now.
Wait, and I'll follow you. Wait, is it RPC 3, 5, 10 coming soon? That's the AC.
Oh, they're stuck. And now they're going.
How is this they're flashing?
It's somewhere over there. There.
Not here.
Well, the Cebu Pacific has ATR.
Airbus. ATR?
They're moving these turboprop flights to Clark. Oh, that's our Army, U.S. It's my U.S. Army.
Oh my god, I want to find a private jet.
Because look, there's no planes coming in.
Oh look, I found a
There's no planes in approach there. Hey, there's no approach. You see, if there's no planes in approach, that means there's a runway change. Huh? Huh? Mine's really cool.
Yeah, he's working out. Right there.
Yeah.
At the headquarters. Okay, this is going control. This is going.
Oh, Filmer's main hub.
What's that?
I am a plane spotter.
I'm just with. You are? Well, that's awesome.
Wait, what did you tell
I
How long have you been plane spotting?
I have a plane spotter as well.
For how long have you been doing it?
Plane spotter. Because I'm a student pilot.
Maybe about 4 years.
Whoa, that's a long time. That's a long
I've been plane spotting since I was for a year already.
Like the same. I want to do that. That's the one that's going to Tacoma. That's the one that's going to Tacoma.
Complete.